In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Google Gemini Error. Let's get started. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try opening another website or app to confirm your connection is stable. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, refresh the Gemini page or restart the app. Sometimes these errors are temporary and can be fixed with a simple restart. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. On Chrome, click on three dots, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cookies and Cached Images, then clear them and restart your browser. If you are using the Gemini mobile app, you can check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Google Gemini. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. Next thing, you have to disable VPN or proxy services if you are using any. Gemini may block or restrict connections from certain VPN IP addresses, which can trigger error codes. You can also try switching browsers. If you are on Chrome, try Firefox or Edge or vice versa. This helps rule out browser-specific issues. Next, you can sign out and sign in back to your account. This refreshes your session and can fix authentication-related errors. Finally, if none of these methods work, the issue may be from Google's side. Wait for some time and try again later. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.